Jinan Sunfeng Technology Company Limited is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China. After some years' efforts and steady development, now we can supply dozens of industrial cutting and engraving equipment. Our products include laser engraving machine, laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, CNC router machine, CNC plasma cutting machine, cutting plotter, and mold machine. These equipment are widely used in artistic of advertisement, craftwork, plexiglass, decoration, model manufacturing, furniture manufacturing, garment and leather, embroidering of trademark. The distribution net of the company covers each capital city, municipality, directly under the central government, and specialized city. And we have established agency relations with several countries, such as America, England, France, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Germany, Russia, India, Middle East, Southeast Asia, etc. Sunfeng Technology upholds the management concept of integrity, specialty, and quality, and continuously persists in the company culture of producing fine quality machines, sticking to the sufficiency management, offering better services, and establishing brilliant business.